Good morning and happy Friday to you. I'm meteorologist Josh Stone in for John Scalzi today, and we're going to talk about Michael. It's a post-tropical cyclone storm, so it doesn't have the tropical characteristics anymore, but it still is producing some very heavy rain coming over Long Island. The only good news about this is it's actually picked up speed and it's moving a little bit faster than when it did the other day. Obviously, when it first made landfall, it's a slow-moving storm, and it just kind of slowly raked its way through the Panhandle and into Georgia. But now it's picked up some steam here, moving at 29 miles per hour. Has sustained winds of 65. So where is Michael heading? Across the pond, across the Atlantic, but it's actually going to stay intact as an area of low pressure and move its way into Europe. So they could be experiencing the leftover wrath of Michael over the next week or so. A couple of other systems out here. We have Leslie and Nadine. Nadine may make its way across the Atlantic, but it's really going to be probably a tropical wave by the time it gets to the Caribbean. It's a tropical storm. And then Leslie's actually a Category 1 hurricane, but that's moving eastward and away from the United States. The peak of the hurricane season was on September 10th. Then, as you can see, over the history, as we've been recording these storms, things start to drop off, but there is a little blip that happens in October, and obviously here in the Panhandle of Florida, we felt that blip that took place just a few days ago with Hurricane Michael. And as far as this season, you can see we've already had 7 hurricanes, and 2 of those have been major. Right now, everything's quiet. We have the radar show some green blotches here. I think the National Weather Service has turned it up to clear air mode where it can pick up specks of dust and insects, ground clutter we call it. Really nothing to show you here. A few light showers down around south of Naples, maybe Marco Island. If you're heading that direction, you could see some showers. And south of Inglewood here, maybe around Rotunda, a little light shower this morning. We have dry air coming in the wake of the cold front that came over the overnight hours of last night and this morning. So you can see the dew point right now in Pensacola, 53, while it's 74 here in Sarasota. So that tells us that dry air is coming and it's going to make things feel a lot more comfortable. 78 degrees our current temperature. A few clouds right now, but we'll have mostly sunny skies by this afternoon. Red tide is still around. We'll just have to watch this. This was from the other day, but we'll be getting an update on the red tide as we go through this afternoon. Now, as far as the futurecast goes, talked about the cold front that charged in overnight. That's moving southward. Behind it, nothing to show you here other than the dry air that's going to filter in from the north and help to bring clear skies. So a great night to stargaze later tonight, and we'll have sunny skies on Saturday. Sea is 2 feet with light conditions in the bays. Temperature won't be 88, actually be 86 today. Mostly sunny skies and comfortable conditions. Expect a north wind, not very breezy at all, about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now, as far as the weekend forecast goes, as we discussed, it's going to be, it was there a second ago. Let's push the buttons on my clicker to get the forecast up. It's technology, live television. Anyway, we'll just talk about the boating forecast. Beautiful conditions to take the boat out, but as far as the weekend forecast, looking really nice, sunny skies and highs topping out in the mid-80s.